Yes, folks, greetings again from the Dominican Republic, from Moshas Reggaelounge in Dominican Republic. I just had three gentlemen here. I don't know where they're from. Two gentlemen, but when he came up, he asked me if my food, if my jerk chicken is up to par with scotches in Jamaica. So I told him I don't want to hear about no scotches. I'm doing real Jamaican thing right here. So when he get the chicken, this is his response. I'm going to let him tell you for your own self, to let you know we do real deal right here. What's your name, brother, and where you from?
Ted, I'm from Sweden.
From Sweden. Tell him about your history in Jamaica and what you just said to me.
I'm traveling to Jamaica all the time for work. I've been to Scotches, I've been to jerk chicken places all over the country, but they just had nothing on this.
There you go. And what did they tell you that Scotches was the best in Jamaica?
Best in Kingston, best in Jamaica, and it was not even close to this.
Okay, you see that? In the Dominican Republic, this gentleman from Sweden, he's not even Jamaican, and he has the taste, the flavor for the right food. And you hear what he just says? So he's not even lying to you, he's telling you the truth. And this is his buddy, and you from Sweden too, brother? He's loving it so much, he's not even speaking. What's your experience with Jamaica?
I've been once.
You been there once?
Yeah.
And you taste jerk chicken?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about this one?
Best, I think.
The boom shack attack. Yeah.
Best.
He's a little shy, but he's enjoying himself. So that's how we do it. And I got my buddy over here. He come here before. Oh, this is my menu. And this is my buddy. He come here before, he come back. He's an international traveler. I won't let his secret out the bag, but he's a real Jamaican. Kick some pata, get him and tell him the story about the food.
No. So, my year said this man out there, what, 20 something years?
8 years, 8.
8 years, sorry.
Yeah, man.
And so them say the best food, Jamaican food in the DR. So I come through, and it was 4th of July weekend. I'm having food. I'm say, yo, the jerk, the curry, the wicked. So come back to the now, and in the mood for some jerk. I'm gonna tell you, say, as soon as the jerk touch my lips, you taste the smoke and the jerk. It wicked.
For real.
It wicked.
For real.
No,
coming from a Jamaican.
True jerk chicken. And you can come find it in the DR, the man wicked. So
wow.
Come through and check him.
Wow. I see this brother is a real Jamaican, a real uptown Jamaican man. So them know what them a chat about.
Yeah.
Them no ramp. And let me tell you something, Jamaican people rank. If the food never good, they wouldn't come back here, sir.
True.
And if the food never good, they wouldn't even look for me, because them rank.
You can't say uptown Jamaican, right?
No, not the whole of them. But my man says all Jamaican rank. Yeah. And if them not like something, them not gonna play with it.
True, especially them food.
Yeah, man.
National food.
Yeah, man.
If it's not good, them write you off. Them gone.
Thank you.
Find another one. So listen, at Dubai I come from.
Hear that?
And I'm back here somewhere there from a vacation.
You hear that?
I come check him yesterday.
Yeah, hear that?
I come give him a touch on our ducks, and I come back and eat today again.
Hear that?
So that's enough about the food.
There you go.
Vibes and everything else. So
that's right.
If you come DR, come check the man, see?
Yeah, man, respect my brother.
Yeah,
but you never tell him your name.
Oh, I'll tell him my name.
All you know if see is the face. So yeah, that's my brethren. Him always come through, come support the real Jamaican. Him bring some people come on here the other day, but them not there right now. Alright, so this is Moshas again, pausing up from Jamaica in the Dominican Republic. One love. Oh, and this is my little helper. Say hello, Sharma.
Hello.
Sharma is my little helper. She's just like her first week helping me out, and she's really good, very intelligent girl. All right, guys, so we signing out. Come down and try the real deal.